Yes, question number 3. Find the shortest distance between the lines whose vector equations are I plus 2j plus k plus lambda into I minus j plus k. In the form, as usual, r equals a1 plus lambda b1. Compare. This is a1, vector a1. This is vector b1. Similarly, this is vector a2. This is b2. So this is a2 and this one is b2. You know the formula. Same way, in the same manner, you can do yourself. ಇದು ನೀವೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ನೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ whose vector equations are r equals and r equals. Last time ಥರ ಇದು r equals a1 plus lambda b1 ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. This different. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ yes, listen carefully. Let us take the first line. This is the question. Now solution. Yes, r equals first line 1 minus t into I plus t minus 2 into j plus 3 minus 2t into k. Now multiply 1 into I minus ti, j in the multiply tj minus 2j plus 3 into k, 3k minus 2tk. Just multiply with I, j, k. Now I, okay, minus 2j, okay, plus 3k. Rearrange. I minus 2j plus 3k plus. Next minus ti ಇದೆ plus tj ಇದೆ minus 2t. t ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. as separate plus plus minus ti, okay, plus tj, okay, minus 2tk. Now last step, I minus 2j plus 3k plus t common, take t common, remaining minus I plus j minus t common minus 2k. This is r. Now what happens? Now it is in standard form. R equals a plus lambda b. Lambda ಬದಲು ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ t ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ a1, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ b1. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ what is a1 from first one? So a1 equals I minus 2j plus 3k. This is b1. What is b1? The b1 is minus I plus j minus 2k. This is a1, this is b1 from first line. Similarly, we can do for second line. Write down. The second line is r equals s, this is s plus 1 into I plus 2s minus 1 into j minus 2s plus 1. Put a bracket because of minus is there. Means the given equation. Now modified as multiply from s into I, that is si plus I plus multiply by j 2sj minus j multiply by k minus 2sk minus into plus minus 1 into k, that is minus k. Now first I, in the same way minus j minus k plus here si, right, first term si plus 2sj minus 2sk means s ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ s ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಸೊ I minus j minus k plus s into s common remaining I plus 2j minus 2k. This is R. This is second equation in this standard form. So the ಯಾವ ಫಾರಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆಗ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರಮ್ R equals a plus lambda b. Second equation R equals a2 plus mu b2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ s ಬದಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿ mu ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ s ಇದೆ means some constant. So this is a2, this is b2. Compare. Yes, what is a2? The a2 equals I minus j minus k. What is b2? b2 equals I plus 2j minus 2k. In the remaining same, find out a2 minus a1, find out b1 cross b2, find out magnitude of b1 cross b2, then calculate b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1, write the formula and substitute and simplify, we get shortest distance. Write down. Next we have to calculate a2 minus a1. So a2 minus a1, subtract from a2 minus a1, I minus I, 0i, minus j, minus j minus plus 2j, minus j plus 2j plus j, minus k minus 3 minus 4k. Now we have to calculate b1 cross b2. Determinant of I component I, j, k. Next b1 component minus 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2. b2 component 1, 2, minus 2. Expansion is I into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 to the 4, minus j into minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 2, plus k into minus 2 minus 1. Simplify. I into minus 2 plus 4 2 minus j into 2 plus 2 4 plus k into minus 3. Simplify. 2i minus 4j minus 3k, that is b1 cross b2. So b1 cross b2 equals 2i minus 4j minus 3k. Then we have to calculate magnitude. So magnitude of b1 cross b2 equals root of 2 square 4 minus 4 whole square plus 16 plus 3 square 9. Simplify. 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 9 is 29, that is root 29. That is magnitude of b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 we have to calculate equals, substitute b1 cross b2 here 2i minus 4j minus 3k dot a2 minus a1 here substitute 0i plus j minus 4k. So now dot product 2 into 0 0 minus 4 into plus minus 4 minus 3 into minus plus 3 4s are 12. Answer minus 4 plus 12, 8. This is B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1. Now we have formula, that is shortest distance SD or D equals, what is the formula? The formula is B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. This is the formula. Substitute. What is B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1? 8 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2 is root 29. This is the shortest distance between two lines or two skew lines. Question number 5. Find the shortest distance between the lines whose equations are. They given two equations, but they are in Cartesian form. Cartesian form ಕೊಟ್ಟವರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we have to calculate shortest distance. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ first line, second line in the Cartesian form, what is the standard form? The standard form is right here, x minus x1 by a equals y minus y1 by b equals z minus z1 by c. This is the Cartesian form of a equation of line, correct? Here x1 y1 z1 point, x1 y1 z1, first point, a b c are direction ratios of the line, means direction ratios of the parallel vector. So x1 y1 z1, compare, x equals minus 1, y equals minus 1, z equals minus 1. Call this point as a, its position vector is first line, therefore a1. What is a1? This is position vector minus I minus j minus k. Illi 7 minus 6 1. This 7 minus 6 1 are the direction ratios of line as well as b. So b equals therefore 7i minus 6j plus k. This is first point, x equals minus 1, y equals minus 1, z equals minus 1, first line point. Call that point as a, its position vector of first line is a1 equals minus I minus j minus k. 7 minus 6 1 ಏನು direction ratio, call it as b. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ b1 equals 7i minus 6j plus k. Similarly, take second line. For second line, the point, call that point as b. So b, x equals 3, y equals 5, z equals 7. Substitute 3, y equals 5, z equals 7. Every point as position vector, call this position vector of second line as a2. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ a2 ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ a2 equals 3i plus 5j plus 7k. Okay, next to 1 minus 2 1, direction ratios of second line, call that vector as b2. b2 equals s I minus 2j plus k. So here they given first point, x equals minus 1, y equals minus 1, z equals minus 1, first line, therefore position vector a1. Okay, second line ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x minus 3, y minus 5, z minus 7, x equals 3, y equals 5, z equals 7. That is second point, 3 5 7. Second point position vector na a2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a2 minus a1, b ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ a2 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ a2 equals 3i plus 5j plus 7k. Now 7 minus 6 1 direction ratios of first line, call that vector as b1. 7i minus 6j plus k. Next to b2 I minus 2j plus k. As usual, calculate a2 minus a1. Calculate, next calculate b1 cross b2. Next to magnitude of b1 cross b2. Next consider the formula b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1. Afterwards write the formula and substitute, we get shortest distance. Do yourself. ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Question number 6, last one of this topic. Find the shortest distance between the lines whose vector equations are r equals and r equals. Observe ಮಾಡೋಣ first. This is a1, this is a2, this is b1, this is b2. So what is a1? Standard form, compare. So a1 equals first vector I plus 2j minus 4k. Okay. What is a2? a2 second point, means point on second line. This a2 3i plus 3j minus 5k. Observe here b1 2i plus 3j plus 6k, b2 that is also 2i plus 3j plus 6k. ಇಲ್ಲಿ b1 ಮತ್ತು b2 ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, means they are parallel vectors. These are not skew lines. Example ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ L1, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ L2, here b1, here b2. This is line L1, L2. So here b1 is parallel to b2. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, 2 3 6 2 3 6. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಿದೆಯೋ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದೇ ಇದೆ. b1 ಏನಿದೆಯೋ b2 ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, means these two vectors are parallel, therefore these two lines are parallel. Now we have to calculate the shortest distance between, not skew lines, shortest distance between parallel lines. Therefore formula modified ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Actually what is the formula? The formula is d equals b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. This is the actually formula to calculate shortest distance between skew lines. But here the two lines are not skew lines, but they are parallel. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2i plus 3j plus 6k, 2i plus 3j plus 6k ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್, means they are parallel. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ b1 b2 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, b1 b2 are same. Call that b1 b2 as b ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. plus 3j plus 6k. b1 b2 ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ, because b1 b2 are same, equal. So call that b1 b2 as b. So b equals 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Then the formula will be modified. b1 b2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ d equals b cross a2 minus a1 divided by magnitude b. This is the formula to find out distance between parallel lines. The shortest distance between two lines, okay, the given vector equation, this is I plus 2j minus 4k, 3i plus 3j minus 5k. This is A. It is also A. First line A1, second line A2. A plus lambda B. This is B. Okay. So compare 2i plus 3j plus 6k. It is also 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Means the two vectors are same. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು b1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು b2 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಸ್ b. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ the two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel means these two lines are not skew lines, parallel. For parallel distance, we have formula D equals B cross A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B. This is the formula, it is magnitude. So, magnitude of B cross A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude B. This is the shortest distance between parallel lines. Okay? Yes. Now, here A1 I plus 2j minus 4k, A2 here 3i plus 3j minus 5k and B both are same, therefore 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Calculate magnitude B. Magnitude B equals root of 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 6 square 36, 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 9 49, root 49 means 7. That is magnitude B. Next we have to calculate A2 minus A1. Yes, A2 minus A1. A2 is there, A1 is there, subtract 3 minus 1, 2i, 3j minus 2j plus j, minus 5 plus 4, minus into minus plus 4, minus 5 plus 4 minus k. This is A2 minus A1. Next we required what? B cross A2 minus A1 back. So B here, A2 minus A1 here, cross product. So B cross A2 minus A1. Determinant of I, j, k. B component 2, 3, 6. A2 minus A1 component 2, 1 minus 1. Expansion I into minus 3, minus 6, minus j into minus 2, minus into minus 12 plus k into last step 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6. Simplify. I minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 minus j into, okay, minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 plus k into 2 minus 6 minus 4. Multiply minus 9i minus into minus plus 14j, okay, minus 4k. Now we required magnitude. So magnitude of B cross A2 minus A1 equals root of minus 9 whole square 81, 6 plus 4 square 16. Simplify. How to add? 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 8 18, plus 1 19, 1 carry 2, root 293. Formula we have shortest distance D equals what? B cross A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude B. Magnitude. So magnitude of B cross A2 minus A1 means root 293 divided by magnitude B means here 7. So the answer is root 293 by 7. This is the distance between two parallel lines. So here there are two formulas are there. One, shortest distance between skew lines andre the formula is B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. ಅದೇ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ A2 ಮೈನಸ್ A1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಅವಾಗ B1 ಮತ್ತು B2 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. B1 B2 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಆಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. This is the distance between parallel lines.